Today's episode is packed with jaw-dropping crypto news, fellow wolves. Ever wondered why Shiba Inu's token burn rate exploded overnight? Or how high Bitcoin's price could soar in the coming months? We've got the latest insights from top analysts. Plus, we'll dive into how the crypto industry is outpacing the early internet, Uniswap's record-breaking achievements, and Cobo's exciting new integration with the open network. Stay tuned, wolves, because you won't want to miss these howling updates. Welcome, wolves! Let's sink our teeth into today's hot topics. The Shiba Inu token burn rate has surged by an astounding 8,596% in just 24 hours, according to Shibburn. Over 17.7 million SHIB tokens have been burned recently, and the total burn from the initial supply has now reached nearly 410 trillion coins. With a current circulation supply of 583 million tokens, the SHIB team aims to boost the coin's value and market cap by sending these tokens to dead wallets, reducing the overall supply. This strategy not only aims to increase scarcity, but also enhance the efficiency and sustainability of the SHIB ecosystem. Wolves, could this be the spark SHIB needs to regain its momentum? Crypto analyst Quentin Francois predicts an exciting future for Bitcoin with potential prices soaring as high as $4.5 million. Highlighting the importance of Bitcoin's fourth halving, Francois suggests that BTC is currently at the bottom of a growth pattern, poised for significant gains. If this halving follows past cycles, Bitcoin's value could range from $140,000 to $4.5 million. With BTC starting at $63,000, Francois believes we're on the brink of a major breakout. Wolves, are you ready for the fireworks? Architect Partners reports that the crypto industry added more than $750 billion in value in the first half of the year, outperforming the internet at a similar stage in its development. This explosive growth is driven by a surge in crypto token values, the successful launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US, and the appreciation of publicly listed crypto companies. The value of tokens alone grew by over $700 billion, with ETFs drawing in more than $15 billion and public companies adding $11 billion. Wolves, the crypto landscape is evolving faster than ever. Stay ahead of the pack. Uniswap has achieved a major milestone, recording over 4 million swappers on Layer 2 platforms monthly, nearly doubling its previous all-time high. This surge is a testament to the growing popularity of Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, Base, Zora, and ZK Sync, which are crucial for scaling Ethereum and enhancing user experience in the DeFi ecosystem. Wolves, as DeFi continues to expand, Uniswap's success highlights the importance of these innovative solutions. Digital asset custody and wallet provider Cobo has announced its support for the open network, or TON, including custodial wallets and multi-party computation wallet tech. This integration will incorporate TON's native TON coin, NOT coin, and stablecoins such as Tether, enhancing security and flexibility for institutional clients. While this integration broadens Cobo's service offerings, it also presents technical challenges due to TON's multi-chain architecture and sharding technology. Wolves, this collaboration could mark a significant step forward for both Cobo and the TON blockchain. That's all for today. Have you found a code during the video? Read the description below about the daily secret hunt and how to get 50,000 Alpha Ton in the game. Until next time, join the pack by subscribing to our channel, keep howling at the moon, and let Alpha Ton connect you and your fellow wolves.